Well, I'm going to focus on the positives in this journey. A lot of positives. First of all, the results. You know, go in away to Mexico and get a result. Go in to Canada and getting a result there. Bronze medal in the Nations League. Was a quarter-final or a semi-final in the Gold Cup. Qualifying for Copa, so it's a lot of on the pitch results, but I think the biggest positive in my opinion is the squad is much more healthier than it has ever been, so it's higher standards, it's more accountability, more responsibility from the players, it's more team players that think team first, and I praise the guys on the extra training we did two days ago. There are players in this camp that haven't played a single minute for Jamaica, and every footballer dream to play on a stage like this. And these players have, of course they should be unhappy not to be playing, but they have not taken it out on their teammates or on the coaching staff or on the staff. They have respect for each other, and I think this is something that the players and the staff need to protect in the future, because it's so much possibility to raise the bar, continue to raise the bar for Jamaica. That, in my opinion, is the biggest takeaway I take from this journey. And I just was reflecting with the players yesterday. When we came, I was told, even from the people in charge, that this was a disjointed squad, that there were kind of 2-3 groups of players playing, foreign players, Jamaica-born players, and they could not work together. I hear no one talk about this today. I heard a lot about this player and this player is never doing their best for Jamaica. I don't hear this today. And being professional in camp is something that has really, really improved, and I give a lot of credit to the players, how they conduct themselves in camp now. It's an absolute honor and a privilege to have worked with them. So these are the positives I take from this journey. The rankings, we're much higher on the ranking list, and this will help Jamaica in the future when we have a draw for let's say the World Cup groups or next Gold Cup, etc., to be higher on the rankings, and we need to protect that place that we are at. And I'm pretty sure I will leave my shirt in a better place than when I came. We're leaving a lot of data at the JFF, tactical data, profile on players. So the next coach will not need to start from zero. I've done a lot of work for him. Whether he likes it and wants to use it or not, that's his decision, but it's there, already given to the JFF. Programs, checklists, etc. So we're leaving, for sure, a much more positive environment than when we came. And that's all down to the players. They have really improved everything around. And not forgetting the staff, I think we leave a much, much better and more professional staff now in regards to, let's say, the fitness coach. We've taken highly professional fitness coaches to help Lamar improve. We have taken a high-class, world-class analyst to help Kyle, our analyst, to grow. Darren Glenister comes from West Ham as a physio to help our medical team to grow. We've had Freddie Butler, Bibi Gardner and more coaches coming in to help the coaching staff to grow. So I think what has happened is that has been a lot of internal growth, and highly want to thank and compliment the staff in this journey. And I think all the players, for example, now are really happy with everything the medical team has been doing. It's been tough, a lot of work for them, working from early morning to late night. But they They have shown what we want. We need hard work. So they have led by example the medical team in this camp. So this is my takes from this journey. I think we are leaving our shirt in a better place than we came, and we at least have, or I've seen to that, the growth can't continue. We don't need to restart from zero. At least there is basis to work on, and I hope it will be a smooth transition, and it's all done in a friendship, in a friendly way. You know, good departure. President Jensek, Vice President is here, and it's all done in a very Christian manner, and we leave as friends. So there's no grudge from anyone to anyone, and I just want to leave it this way, because this is an important project for me. I've spent a lot of time, given a lot of work and time and love to this project, and I would really love to see it continue and grow.